Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a page on a Notion. Now, as you can see, I'm on my phone, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and open up a page here. And once you're on that page, guys, maybe let me go ahead and find a much nicer page. Let's choose this one, for example. Now, to share this page, on the upper right hand side, you'll find a share button next to the three dots. Click on that, and here you can share by simply inviting someone, email address, or group, right? And this is one way how to share it. But if you want to just copy the link, simply click on share link. Then you'll be able to open up the apps on your phone and you can choose to share that through WhatsApp, Instagram, Message, Gmail, Messenger, Telegram. You can even share it by adding it on your Google Drive, and you can even find more apps on your phone that you'll be able to share that with. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. And if you just want to copy the link, you can copy the link from here. As you can see, the link is copied and I can share that however way I want with whoever I want. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to share a page on Notion using your phone.